it's PJ from PJ's Place. If you like my videos, smash the subscribe button. Today we will be working on the LEGO Speedway Champion Nissan GT-R. If you want to build this yourself, the number is 76896 and the pieces are 298 pieces. Now let's see what's inside it. There's a bag 1, a bag 2, and the instructions, and the stickers, and the body of the car. What I like to do is open bag 1 and put the pieces into a container. That way we don't lose the pieces. So let's do it right now. And you see we got some little bags here. We're just gonna put that in a different container so the little pieces don't really get lost in the big ones. Let me put this to the side. So what we're going to do is open the instruction now. We're going to start at page 5. On the first one, we're going to build part of the car, and on the second one, we're going to build all the car. We're going to start building the man first, and then the car. Looks like when we completed bag 1. Now let's move on to bag 2. Now we completed the car, and I think it came out really, really great. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. See you next time.